So created 5 videos. Open the disturbance in Notepad. Then opening all the copies. Segregating into 2 equal logs. Let it occupy the full laptop or PC so that we can utilize the space and see the clear words. So the first is LC, second. Okay, so welcome to the second day session. Hope you guys have understood the LC cycle, the risk in it, and the importance of presenting LC complying presentation. So there are common shipping documents which is used in international trade. So we start with draft, which is also called as bill of exchange. Even though primary liability is with issuing bank to facilitate the payment, because beneficiary all the way it has to send the documents directly to issuing bank, which is sitting in some other country, and issuing bank straight away it has to send the money to the beneficiary, which is cumbersome. So there need to be a usage of another bank, and we have also seen the usage of advising bank. So without that, the beneficiary cannot receive a SWIFT message. So we have just seen that shipper has to endorse the BL so that the negotiability passes on.
Yeah, I don't have a question.
No question. Thank you.
No, if you are accepting a LC issued by a individual or a company apart from bank, that will be as good as you ship the goods without LC. See, the main thing which you go for LC is the protection, right? In India, RBI needs all the data in a year, in a quarter, in a half-yearly, how much fund has been gone out, how much fund came in. So everything has to be reported. And what is the goods going out? What is the value? Right? Is it a legal goods or a illegal goods? Everything needs to be reported. So bank is again a trustful person who will take care of all these accountings. You mean only bill of lading?
All maximum, all the documents are shipping documents, sir.
Perfect.
The
Perfect.
things, what are all things, draft, bill of lading.
Okay.
Everything
So this is a close answer, but the correct answer is all documents excluding draft, fax reports, and courier receipt.